Hello guys, welcome to Linux command line for beginners series. Today we are going to learn about the less command. The less command in Linux is used to view the contents of a file one page at a time, allowing you to navigate through a large files in a more controlled and interactive way compared to other commands like cat. Unlike cat, which display the entire contents at once, the less command allow you to scroll up and down within the files, and the basic syntax for it is less options file name. The key features of less is that you can move forward and backward through the files using the arrow key. It doesn't load the entire file at once, so it is more efficient for viewing large files. You can search within the files, and the commonly used keys in less is the space bar, the enter, the B button, up and down arrow, and search them. Want to search for a file, we can use the less command to search for file.txt and hit enter. Oh, that was a mistake. Let me clear my terminal. Less file.txt. So this is the content in the file.txt. Now we can use the enter arrow to scroll down one line at a time. This is enter. You can also use the keyboard. We press the B to move backward one page at a time. So you can move backward one page. Then you can use the up and down arrow to search for a term in file, to move one line up or down. To search for a term in file, what we do, use the forward slash, and let me say we want to search for the word cybersecurity. So once I hit enter, you can see that showed me the word, which is cyber security. For us to quit, we use Q to quit. To display a line number, we use the dash capital letter N, then file.txt. So this will display the line number. The less command is useful for quickly viewing and navigating through files, especially when dealing with long or large files. Let me quit it. So for us to know more about the less command, we use the command man less. This will show us all the options to use in less command and how to use it. We'll learn more information about the less command. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.